composed of 154 boys and 196 girls, with a total of 374 candidates for completion. After careful scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found out that we have satisfactorily completed the requirements for completion. I therefore certify that these candidates for completion have satisfied the requirements for junior high school curriculum. Ma'am, you are now ready for your confirmation.
With the authority vested in me by our school's division superintendent, Dr. Ruth L. Estacio, testified, and having been certified by your school principal, Ellen Becerra, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements for junior high school set by the Department of Education. I, Donna Panes, the Curriculum Implementation Division Chief of DepEd Sarangani, hereby confirm you as completers of Colon National High School this school year 2023-2025, and therefore you are entitled to receive your completion certificates. Congratulations! di ba? Kanya-kanya tayong brand, kanya-kanya tayong tao, parents at saka learners. But mind you, I really appreciate your genuinity, your honesty, your transparency, my dear Generation C learners. Sometimes, masasabi namin, ano ba ito mga learners natin? Di ba mga teachers? Pag tinatanong natin ang mga teachers, kumusta ang mga learners natin? Ang sabi ng mga teacher, magbuluyagon na tayo sa inyo. Tama, teachers? Daghan kayo ni mo yes. But, behind that buluyagon ay ang inyong overload cuteness. Would you agree on that? Huh? Would you agree on that na cute kayo? Yes! Di ba? Kasi nga, yung mga Gen Z natin, sila yung pinaka-cute, sila yung Dora the Explorer, lahat-lahat explore. Lahat-lahat na nakikita sa gadget explore. Yung Gen Z natin, sila yung pinaka-prangka. To the extent na, kung alam mo ba, crush kita. Di ba? Di ba ganyan kayo? Yes? So, ingatan na nila ang atong generation kayo. They are just honest. That sometimes matag natin na hindi na rin mo. Pero, deep in my heart, you are the cutest generation I ever met. O, palakpak! Dahil kayo ang cutest, kayo ang smartest, kayo ang most honest, kayo ang pinaka-prangkang generation, kailangan mag-process natin in a way na lahat ng challenges ay malalampasan ninyo. Gen Z kayo. Sometimes the Gen Z can be tagged as madaling ma-depress, madaling ma-anxious. Ito yung generation na di ka matagalog cellphone na Apple, masukok kayo sa nanay. No? Ma-depress tayo. So let us all conquer those negative attributes of Gen Z, my dear completers. Kasi nga, kayo ang pinaka-smart na generation. Hindi smart ang millennials, hindi smart ang baby boomers, kabugin ang pinaka-smart. So we will prove this by enrolling yourselves in grade 11 and grade 12.